Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you on how to remove your clothes from your Hisense washing machine if there is no electricity. So if you want to be able to open the doors of your Hisense washing machine without electricity power, you've probably been in that situation where you insert your clothes, you're trying to wash, and then all of a sudden there is no electricity power again, and you are probably in an emergency situation where you actually need your clothes. Now, to open up your Hisense washing machine without electricity, you need to go over to the bottom of the washing machine, just over here. This is particularly where we have the manual door opening section, and depending on your model of Hisense washing machine, you might have it on the right hand side or on the left hand side. Now, what you need is a screwdriver, a flat one, or you can actually just get a spoon like this if you do not have a screwdriver. Now, what you want to do is to simply just use this spoon to pull this place upward. Just try to open it up with the spoon. It should automatically open with just little force. And now you're going to see this plastic over here that has a handle. So what you want to do to open up the washing machine door now is to just put your hand over here and then pull it downward like so, and automatically your washing machine door should open up. You're going to hear a click sound on the washing machine, and you should be able to just open the door like so. But if that method does not work out, you can try to release the water filter a little bit. So you just want to turn this compartment over here, which is the water filter, anti-clockwise a little bit. It is actually going to release some water if you still have your clothes washing on your washing machine. After releasing a little bit of water, you can go ahead and tighten it up again, and automatically that might also open up your Hisense washing machine door. And if this video was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.